Here, I'll show you how you can remove ads on your YouTube videos. As a YouTuber, you know how ads play an essential part in us getting paid. But sometimes, ads can annoy your viewer, causing them to leave your video and hurt your viewer retention. With that out of the way, let's see how you can turn off ads on your YouTube videos, shall we? First off, go to YouTube and click on your channel icon on the top right. Click on YouTube Studio. Head over to Content and look for the video you want. Head over to this $sign icon and click on it, which will lead you to the monetization page. Here you will see that monetization is turned on for this video. Turning it off is as simple as clicking this drop-down and choosing off and pressing save. Now this video won't have any ads on it. YouTube also allows us to disable ads that show at any part of the video. That way you can remove the ones that hurt your viewer retention, while also leaving your video monetized. Going further down the monetization page of your video, you'll see that there are check marks for pre-roll ads that appear before your video plays, mid-roll ads that appear in the middle of your video, and post-roll ads that appear once your video ends. If you've watched any YouTube guru out there, you may notice that they always say that the beginning of your video is the most important part of keeping a viewer watching. A pre-roll ad may annoy your viewers and cause them to click on another video, and we don't want that. So all we have to do is uncheck the pre-roll ad and press save. Now your video won't have any pre-roll ads. And that's how you can remove ads on your YouTube videos. Also, here's a video on some free intro templates for your videos. Click on the video on the screen and thanks for watching.